Alright, this is not how I wanted to start the YouTube video out. Obviously, you guys know I got Chandler with me. But, as you can see, my dash is taken apart. So the cigarette lighter stopped working again. And we ended up taking it all apart. And traced wires, tested a bunch of things. Checked all the fuses, everything was fine. Well, we found out this connection right here. We had power there, but this wire had no power. We wiggled it. It got power. Wiggled it some more, and now it has constant power again, and we're charging. So, I'll fix that connection when we get home, but for now it's going to stay apart like this. The next part of this video you guys see will be a load that'll start tomorrow morning. We already did two loads today. Well, 2 loads between today and yesterday. So, I forgot to record that, I'm sorry, but this is an issue. We've got it fixed temporarily until we get home. Once we're home, I'll put everything back together with that in the right place again, but at least now we know what it is, we can fix it, and it'll be done. Alright, we're all strapped down, putting the ramps up, heading out back to PA. Whew. Alright, we're checking straps quick, tires and everything. Good.
Turn right onto Regency Lakes Drive, then turn right onto Virginia 7 West.
All the bearings are running good. One loose strap. Not too bad. Alright, back on the road we go. 48 minutes to Pennsylvania. Alright, we made drop off. Then we went home. I'm off duty. I picked up my old landlord's Explorer that I bought off him. Take it to the scrapyard. It's the end of an era. This car has been around for a long time. He's owned this since 2013. And I've driven it a lot. I've wrecked this car. He's been in this car with me a lot. But it's going to the scrapyard tomorrow. I just took the hood off, put on this, and put some scrap inside of it. We're taking the wheels off. The wheels should be able to, well, they're exactly the same as those, just different tread. So, that's going to the scrapyard. It won't pass inspection again. And really, it's not worth putting money into, other than the fact that it has almost a brand new paint job on it. But, I still got to finish some stuff on the truck, the dash and everything. So, once I pull this out, I'll have to pull the truck in and work on that, hopefully, tonight. I don't know. Alright, I got some stuff done. I got the ramps on. The line should be here today. I got the car moved out of this corner. And, it's running right now. I just fixed a friend's car this morning. Need some work. I'm gonna start working on this next week when I get back from Montana. So 2 weeks, not 1 week, 2 weeks from now. I'm gonna start working on this, getting it ready for next season. Alright, we are out in Illinois in a Copart. We're doing power only for the snowmobile trailer. And then I was told I can use it to pick up other stuff, so we got a UTV up on here. And we're taking that to somewhere here in Illinois, so we're actually on our way to Montana. Put this one on the front, put this one back there. And the truck's doing great. So, alright, we're at the first drop location. We're gonna, hopefully this will come right off. Hopefully. I think this is the right place. It should be. I don't see why. But we're gonna get this unloaded and go from there. Trip. I rewired the cigarette lighter. We put the dash back together. And now the heater control module broke. Just replaced it here at Advance. Almost put back in. Then we're gonna put the dash bezel back on. And then we're done. I mean, the trailer brakes still don't work, but that's a different mess. I'm not towing a big enough trailer that has trailer brakes, so I have it unplugged because when it's plugged in, the trailer brakes the brake lights are on non-stop, and I don't know quite what that is yet, but I gotta figure that out. So, slowly getting stuff figured out on this truck. Me and the kid are in Minnesota. He got sick, so we had to get a hotel room. We'll deliver that trailer in 2 days, and I bought a car trailer in Montana. We're picking that up, and then we're picking up the next load, going home. So stay tuned. There's gonna be more content. He's starting to feel better now. I started feeling like shit, but now I'm starting to feel better. So, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.